Welcome, it's Terry, and today we're going to be installing CarTechStudios Honda CR-V 2016, the premium 10-inch CarPlay and Android Auto head unit. Okay, so first things first, you have the unboxing. CarTechStudios, they provide you everything that you need for whatever car model or whatever type of car that you have. So everything that you need is in the box, and there's some extra accessories as well. Like if you want a 4G antenna sticks, they also have the GPS module if you want to install that as well. But yeah. Okay, so right now we're doing the assembly of the frame for the box that goes behind the head unit, and this box is where all the magic happens. Alright, so now we're going to install these clips that go on the back of the frame. This is what's going to attach to the head unit. Really, the process is really easy, really simple. It fits on, clicks on perfectly. All you got to do is make sure you align everything perfectly. Okay, right now it's time for the demolition. So right now, taking out the vents. We have the right vent and the left vent. This process is fairly simple. Just make sure you have a plastic pry tool and you'll be able to get the job done efficiently. Okay, so on the actual head unit itself, there's 2 screws. So all you gotta do is take out these screws, and then it's gonna be time to take out the actual head unit. One thing about this is, you really gotta pull on it. It's gonna feel like you're gonna break it, but you're not gonna break it. Just make sure you add a lot of force to get it out. Okay, so right now taking out the hazard cable, and then at the back of the unit there's going to be 4 cables that all you have to do is take them out. They're fairly simple to take it out. They all have notches that you press down or move to remove it. Okay, so right now it's time to move some of the pre-existing things onto the new head unit. So this includes the vents. So with the vents, there's 3 screws that you have to take out, and then there's a vent cover, and this is fairly simple to take out. There's like 2 clips on the sides, and you just flip them off and it comes off perfectly. Okay, so now you have to take off the clips on the old head unit. You have to add these clips to the new head unit. This is what makes it really easy for when you actually have to install the new head unit back into the car. Okay, so right now we're just going to screw on the vents back onto the new head unit. Okay, so right now it's time for a plug and play. This is really simple with the harness that you're provided. You have the hazard, and then you also have the 20-pin connector. You have the radio antenna connector, the 14-pin audio navigation, and then you have the 24-pin Honda head unit audio connector. So this makes everything simple, and the process is very easy. so if you want to add the accessories, personally, I added the GPS, so this is what I'm doing right now. And then I also added the 2 USB cables, because later on I'm going to add a flash drive just so I can add some offline music and I can download maps off into it. But the unit itself already has a lot of storage, but I just wanted to add a little more. Okay, so right now plugging in the 2 USBs into the head unit, and then I'll also be plugging in the GPS module, and then I'm going to go on to plug in the radio, and then the last piece is plugging in that power. Okay, last thing, plug in that hazard, and then we're going to be ready to start up the system, finally boot it up. So I didn't actually put the system back in yet. This is because you gotta make sure everything's working properly. So this is me running all the tests that I needed to do. First you want to check, of course you want to check the audio, make sure the audio is good. You just want to check your reverse camera, and I was following through a process of this. Okay, so right now I'm connected to CarPlay, so I'm just connected to that to my phone. The app that you use for Android Auto or CarPlay is called Z-Link, and it just connects right up to your phone. Alright, so right now doing an audio check using the radio.
Don't let me down. Easy if you're gonna leave me, baby, go and leave me all the way. Don't ask for all your things back, cussing out my name, yeah, just to go and take back what you say. Burn all the bridges, don't ask forgiveness.
Okay, so right here I'm just checking out the maps. You know, it works just like expected. It's really nice, it's really crisp and smooth. Okay, so right now just testing out the reverse camera. As you can see, it shows up on your little screen. It doesn't show up on your big screen. That's just because they don't link up. And I mean, if you do want it to link up, you'd have to buy a new backup camera and replace your old one. Okay, so right now I'm going to be trying how a call sounds like. So calling my girlfriend just to see how it sounds. Hey.
Hey.
How do I sound?
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? As you can see, you know, she can't hear me. This is because, you know, it's a simple fix in the settings for the mic, because it also comes with an external mic. I didn't install an external mic, I just wanted to use the mic on the system. So you just have to make sure you turn on that setting to use the built-in mic. Baby? Hello?
I can hear you.
Oh, is it crispy, decent? How's it sound?
I think it sounds good. I just think it sounds like you're like connected to a car, like always, but like.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Never...
Okay, so as you can see, you know, the built-in mic, you know, it sounds pretty good. So right now I'm going to be connected to Wi-Fi. That Wi-Fi is just going to be the hotspot that's coming off my phone. And then once you connected to Wi-Fi, you could do a whole range of things on the actual unit. You have a Google Play Store. You know, this is an Android unit, so you could do whatever. You could download TikTok, Instagram, so whenever you're parked, you can just be bored and watching things. But right now I'm going to show you on Google, I'm going to show you YouTube. I'm going to be playing a video from my brother Perry and I's channel, Perry and Terry Builds.
Let's see if we go in reverse with that. Okay, let's see where
Okay, so now's the time for the final install. Right now I'm just checking all the wires, make sure I'm not missing anything. There's a lot of extra wires. This is because, you know, for the aux system, you never know, like people have amplifiers and things like that and subwoofers, but I don't have any of that. So for me it's fairly simple. I only had to plug in like 4 cables. So right now all you gotta do is a line in so you can click everything in. So it's really nice and smooth and even satisfying. You know, you just push it in, you hear a clicking sound, and then your car just, it turns into a Tesla. It just looks beautiful. You know, my Honda 2016, you know, now it's moving like a Tesla and it's great. Okay, so I was playing around with maps a little bit, but right now I'm going to be testing the equalizer. So I'm going to be playing a song off Spotify.
My demons, they find a heart.
use
Just
the
like a
dial.
monster.
The dial.
Slave to my character, no matter how. Sometimes I fake my smiling to the side. I feel like dying so much. My heart tired. I pray it all end with silence. Something I can't sleep without pop. Every night my mind is racing. It's hard 'cause I'm craving silence. My demons, they fighting hard, just like a movie star. Slave to my character. No matter how I try to change your feelings about me, it feels like war. I'm chasing a fantasy now. What if that's not really me?
Okay, thank you for watching the video. The CarTechStudios head unit is going to be linked in the description below. But any questions, just feel free to comment. And God bless.